Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make medium curly hair look good. First, always prioritize moisture. Dry curls appear dull and frizzy. Next, handle your hair with care, especially when wet, to maintain its natural curl pattern. Finally, select products specifically designed for curly hair to enhance definition and reduce frizz. These simple steps form the foundation for beautiful, bouncy curls. For wash day, begin with a sulfate-free shampoo or a co-wash to cleanse without stripping natural oils. Follow with a rich conditioner, ensuring every strand is coated. While the conditioner is in, gently detangle your hair using your fingers or a wide-tooth comb, working from the ends upwards. Rinse thoroughly with cool water to seal the cuticle and boost shine. After washing, apply a leave-in conditioner to very damp hair for extra moisture and frizz control. Next, distribute a curl-defining gel or mousse evenly through your hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends. Gently scrunch your hair upwards towards your scalp to encourage natural curl formation. You can air dry or use a diffuser on a low heat setting for added volume. To maintain your beautiful curls, protect them overnight by sleeping on a silk pillowcase or using a satin bonnet. On non-wash days, refresh your curls with a water mist mixed with a little leave-in conditioner. Try to avoid excessive heat styling, as it can damage your curl pattern. Regular trims, about every 3 to 4 months, will also keep your ends healthy and curls bouncy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.